Hey guys, I don't normally make videos, but with everything that's been going on with Pistol Pete and Pops and MGK and all you other guys out there having troubles with Academy deliveries, I just had to share this one. This came last night. I wasn't home. My wife brought it in the house, but she said as she picked it up and to bring it in the house, bullets were falling out. And I was like, what? That's impossible. But if you take a look here, see if it'll, as you can see, this box is still unopened, but it's torn there and bullets are falling out. If I move it about, yeah, it's definitely got loose bullets in there. So let me open it up and let's see what's going on inside. Alright, so, look at that. Great. Very well packaged, as you can see. One double with plenty of space for the box to move around. Yep. Great delivery, Academy, as always. The box is all tore up, broken, and I don't know if there's enough light for you guys to see that, but the box is all tore up. The bullets falling out the side of the box here. I'll make sure I let my FedEx guy know that he may want to check his truck, because there's probably bullets in the back of it. One last thing I wanted to add, guys, I counted and then I double counted to make sure, but there are 23 bullets missing from the container, from the box. So from shipment from, looks like Georgia, to me, 23 bullets missing in transit. Thanks.